Okay, so back in the garage. Looking nice. Just checking the sealant if it's properly dry. So without further ado, I think it's time to get the tape off and see how it really looks. And then we can mount the bottom airline railing. Let's see. Coming loose nicely. Whoop whoop. Let's see, doing this there. No, that one. Whoop whoop. Oh, peeling tape. It's kind of satisfying. The one on top is here. This one. Oh. So I'm afraid of leaving tape on for too long because it can tend to stick on the car. So now let's see. Some ASMR. Now get the last piece off here and just take a step back and whoa. Really cool, really cool. Now let's get the plastic on these. Hopefully I can thread them on without taking off because I think this is set into the rubber, or no, the sealant. So you can see. And then put on the lower. I wish these were in black. I don't know if they make it in black, but I think it looks better in black. So the whole thing is black. So you only get two colors, red and black. So we'll see if I maybe take this off later and then paint it. But yeah, put on the other railing. Railing. There you are. And not sure why, but there's a different kind of screw. One different. Maybe they just sent the wrong one. But let's mount this one at least, and then we'll see. So the lower one has the screws embedded into the Gullwing itself. The nice thing with these airline bar strips, I don't know, they added the plastic so that covers the bolts on the end. So I was wondering why they put the bolt hole right there and not further back. Also, yeah, I noticed that the hole we're going to drill is pretty close to the edge, and also not sure why it's not here, because here you got double double the metal, so there are two plates meets here. So I don't know if there's a reason, or yeah. The main reason is because they wanted to cover up the bolts with this, so that's smart. Maybe move the hole back here, or make a second one, and then make a kind of a different kind of plastic. Maybe could go up here and follow this somehow, or yeah, make a different shape. I don't know, but yeah, would be nice. See. Is it the wrong way? Yeah, there. Okay, so there may be two ways. Looks like the one hole in the middle are off center. Let's see. Yeah, so the center hole is off center, so the middle hole is off center. So the distance, so you just have to flip it around if you get it wrong. So I need to get another screw here because this one isn't the right one, but it will do for now. It will probably get in the way from here. Yeah. Maybe add some Loctite to these afterwards. Just want to see how it looks. And these are screwed on, and then see if we can get the plastic on. Plastic. Plastic caps. So you can see this has the outrack symbol. So are these printed? I don't know. No more breakdown. So if we can we get them on? No. Oh. Okay, that's too bad. So these, I was hoping it's going to be able to put it on. For these screws are in the rubber sealant. So yeah. If I have an issue later, I have to seal them up, I guess. Yeah, so I can feel it, it being in the rubber sealant. So hopefully it's not going to leak. Come on. So if I get an issue later here, I can always come back and add some sealant. Don't want to overdo this. So that's the finished result. Okay, let's just test it out. First opening. Yellow. Alright, skal du være med? Skal du prøve? You wanna test it out?
Not here. I just need some stuff.
Hi.
Wow!
What?
Coolest window ever.
Who wants coffee?
Cool. Very cool.
Oh, this is cool.
Jag ska byta ut den där overflasktuben och så ta in en sån här... Jodita, wobi, woba.
So we can adjust the pressure. So I'm gonna see if this will help out with. So it's a bit further in on this side and a bit out on this side, which doesn't really matter. Okay, so there's a thick rubber seal. So this makes it close tight. Checking nothing is vibrating. Probably lock this up a bit and then yeah. Really happy, really happy. Really cool. Okay. Okay, so noticing this hinge here is a bit loose on the mounted plate, so I'm gonna try and tighten that up. Okay, I can't really move it, so don't want to do too much. Yeah, that's better. So it's not moving. Yeah, just need to wash that. So these are pretty strong, which is nice. Could probably hang some lights there on the inside, and it wouldn't matter. Okay, job done. So now I will start putting the drawers back in and putting all the covers and everything back onto into the Discovery, making it ready for starting to make it ready for the trip that's coming up in 2 weeks. But that's going to be in another video, which is going to be my prepare for this trip video. But yeah. As always, remember to like, subscribe, and if you have, as I said, any questions, be sure to hit me up in a comment down below. I read every comment and I try to answer all the comments. So yeah, just hit me up with a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe. Yeah. Coffee. Yum yum. Little table, light here, coffee cup, making a sandwich. Yum 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 yum. Fridge, easy access. Maybe. Recovery gear, I don't know. I kind of like this. I noticed one thing. If it's raining, it's gonna hit this panel and then go in and drop right into the car. So when raining, maybe be quick about it, or have what? Maybe have I need a what's it called? Awning. I need an awning. So that will go up, and then the awning will be out, and then yeah, for longer stop leads, but for short stops. Yeps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. To the back. Går bra? Måste test it out. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Ta-da! Hot dogs, coffee. Yes, please. Who needs a Land Rover? What do you think?
Will it go faster now?
Yeah.